Now we are back. If you have any scrap pieces of this glitter paper that you have available, I just wanted to show you there's never any waste. A couple different things that you can do with it. One is fold it in half and you could actually make a little card. And with this card, I'll do one of the other colors. So I'll take the blue, just fold it in half, and voila, you have a perfect little card that you can do to and from. You can also punch a hole in it, and then you could tie it onto your lei. So you would have a little card on your lei, or it could also be a little seating chart card or placeholder where somebody's sitting. The other thing, you can make these cute little tags. So this tag right here, all that I did was cut this into 2 rectangles. Then I take my scissors and give it 2 angles on the side. Take a punch a little hole, and I've got some cute white plain ribbon, and stick this through and then loop it. And here we have an easy little tag. Again, you could accessorize this on a lei if you would like. So easy, quick things to do with our glitter paper and your scraps. There's never any waste.